Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. In this video, we will discuss about types of cyber laws. Types of cyber crimes. Leaking of personal information. The first one is leaking of personal information. Second is loss of consumer trust. Third is the threat to national security. Fourth is need to cyber law. Now we will discuss about first one, leaking of personal information. Not just financial losses, people also suffer from leakage of their personal information. Many social networking sites, no matter how safe, are still an open platform for everyone to see someone else's life, which can be dangerous. Apart from this, hackers can also hack into one's account and collect whatever information they want to. Spamming and phishing also cause harm to people. Loss of consumer trust. That's the second point. Loss of consumer trust. With such financial losses and a threat to personal information, consumers start losing trust in such sites and apps. Even if the person committing the crime is someone else, the site or app is declared to be fraudulent and unsafe. Also, it makes people reluctant to start a transaction when their credit card information is asked. This affects the credibility of an e-business and consequently jeopardizes a potential business. Next point is the threat to national security. Nowadays, the military of most of the countries is using advanced computer technologies and networks. Information warfare, albeit old, is used to spread malware, which can cause network crashes and spread misinformation. Not just militaries, but terrorists and cyber criminals also these technologies to intrude in other countries' security networks and obtain information. They also send threats and warnings through computer systems. Need of cyber law. With the evolution and development of the internet, information technology, and computers, challenges imposed by cyber crimes have also increased. Therefore, cyber laws regulate all fields of laws in which cyber crimes can be committed, such as criminal law, contract, intellectual property law, and tort. Cyber laws deal with various kinds of concerns such as free speech, safety, intellectual property rights, privacy, terrorism, e-commerce, and jurisdiction of cyber laws. Thank you.